This is the anti-drainback valve, and it is hidden inside the oil filter. Today I'm going to explain why it is so important for your engine's lifespan, what happens if it fails, and the symptoms of malfunction. To understand its importance, you first have to visualize what happens when you turn off the engine. While it is running, the oil pump keeps the system fully pressurized and the filter filled with lubricant. However, once the engine is shut off, the pressure disappears and gravity begins to act. If there were no retention mechanism, the oil contained in the filter could drain back into the oil pan, leaving the filter empty. This is where the anti-drainback valve comes into play. It is a flexible membrane, generally made of rubber or silicone, located at the base of the filter. Its function is to block the oil from flowing backward when the engine is turned off, keeping the filter full for the next start. It may seem like a minor detail, but its impact is enormous. When this valve works correctly, during the next startup the system regains pressure almost immediately because the filter is already full. Oil flows quickly to the bearings, camshaft, hydraulic lifters, and in modern engines, to the turbocharger. This significantly reduces the time during which metal surfaces are in contact with insufficient lubrication. The problem begins when the anti-drainback valve is low quality, loses elasticity due to heat, or simply does not seal properly from the start. In that case, the oil slowly drains after the engine is turned off. The next time you start it, the pump first has to refill the filter before it can send pressurized oil to the rest of the system. That delay can last 1 or several seconds, depending on the engine design and the oil viscosity. Conventional rubber valves can harden over time due to the engine's constant heat, while those made of silicone tend to maintain their flexibility through more thermal cycles. Although 1 or 2 seconds may seem insignificant, inside the engine they represent thousands of friction cycles without optimal lubrication. If this happens every day, 4 years, the cumulative wear can be considerable. Bearings, camshafts, and variable valve timing components are especially sensitive to these moments of insufficient lubrication. In turbocharged engines, the situation is even more critical. The turbo shaft spins at extremely high speeds and depends entirely on a constant film of oil. A repeated delay in lubrication delivery can accelerate wear on the assembly, reducing its lifespan. A common symptom of a defective anti-drainback valve is a slight metallic noise or rattling during the first few seconds after a cold start. Many people attribute it simply to the engine being cold, when in reality it may be related to a temporary loss of pressure caused by a filter that drains when the vehicle sits turned off. Another possible symptom is a slight delay in the oil pressure warning light turning off after starting the engine. Under normal conditions, the light should go out almost immediately after startup. If it takes longer than usual, especially after the vehicle has been parked overnight, it could indicate that the system needs more time to build pressure again because the filter was empty.